Welcome to our BuySmart Showdown, where we put two countertop ice makers head to head. On one side, we have the Countertop ice maker that claims to produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, perfect for those who need ice in a hurry. On the other side, we have the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker, known for its compact design and ease of use. Join us as we delve into their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for your home, office, or party needs. Let's get started. When it comes to speed, the Countertop ice maker outshines the Igloo model by producing 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, while the Igloo takes 7 to 8 minutes to create 8 cubes. This means if you're in a rush for ice, the Countertop ice maker is the better choice for quick refreshment. Portability is another important factor. The Countertop ice maker features a sturdy carry handle, making it easy to transport for outdoor events or travel. In contrast, while the Igloo model is compact, it lacks a dedicated handle, which may make it less convenient for on-the-go use. Both models offer self-cleaning features, but they differ in execution. The Countertop ice maker requires a manual trigger to activate the self-cleaning function, while the Igloo model boasts an automatic self-cleaning feature, making maintenance easier and more hands-free for users. In conclusion, both the Countertop ice maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize speed and portability, the Countertop ice maker is the way to go. However, if you prefer a more compact design with automatic maintenance, the Igloo model is a solid choice. Whichever you choose, both will enhance your ice making experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.